So if you're like me, you've been spending a lot of time at home and realizing that you need to give a little bit more love to your space. So this is the first episode of a new mini series that I'm gonna be starting here on the channel. And if you guys like it, then I will totally do more. But it actually came from a comment. Someone recommended that I start a series showing how to decorate. And though I'm not a professional interior designer, I don't have any schooling in it, I have read some books on it, and you know, I think it's something that anyone can learn, and it really depends on your preference. So I hope to be able to inspire you all to decorate your space and give you some ideas, because I feel like it's very important to surround yourself with things that you love, to reflect how you feel on the inside. And so with that being said, we're gonna begin. Today we're gonna be tackling this corner behind me. So I feel like corners are a very easy place where energy can get stuck, and I normally find myself adding and changing and shifting the decor around. But since we've closed our office, if you guys have seen our vlogs over on our Mario and Tiffy channel, you can check it out right over here. We have a bunch of new furniture that we didn't want to put in storage, so we brought here to our house. So we're gonna be revamping this little corner behind me. Let me get a good shot for you. Currently I have some plants back here, hanging plants, a mirror that my mom got me, and a framed art piece. But I think it needs something more. So this space is right near our kitchen, and we normally spend our mornings working right here. So I love having plants around the house. We get so much good light right here from these amazing windows, and I get rainbow light coming in from this. So I thought it'd be really cool to add more plants and a shelf that we have. So this is the shelf that we just brought home. It is a ladder shelf, and I love the color of the wood on this. So let's go ahead and prop it up, and then we are going to decorate it. All right, so this makes a huge difference already and really breaks up the white from the wall, but the hanging plant just kind of fits here perfectly. So I'm going to frame it with some more plants and a mixture of things that I like. And actually I might put my plant care stuff here too, so it's easily accessible. So I find it easier to start off with a larger piece to kind of base everything around, and I have this really cute lamp that I think would work. So to stick with the mushroom theme, I have this super cute candle holder, but it drips a lot of wax when I use it. So I have this awesome piece of fluorite that I just stick right in here, and it's a really cool way to add some crystals, since I really love crystals, into the display. So I'm gonna put this right next to the mushroom. I got a monstera that I'm propagating, and I wanna add this to the top to add some more green and height to the top of this thing. So I'm thinking maybe somewhere up here. So right up here. I like that. All right, so I found some books that I'm gonna add. They are on theme with the green that we're going for. So there's houseplant books, and I think it would just fit perfectly on this little shelf. So if we have guests over and they want to read about plants, they can grab one. So let's go ahead and stack it somewhere on. Maybe I'll put it kind of in the lower area. I think I might put it down here. Just like that. We could put something on top of it. I really do like the top of this showing, so maybe I could even place it like that. Okay, so I think I like it like this, so you can see and read the books, and I'm gonna place some stuff on top and maybe some plants on the side. All right, so I have another plant that I'm propagating, and I like having propagation plants around because I don't have to remember to water them, just change the water. I think I'm gonna put this one down here by the books and kind of let it hang off of the edge a little. All right, I think I like it there because it kind of hides the cord. so we're gonna work with that. Gotta have some of the butterflies in here, so maybe we can add this one down here. I got some really big crystals that I want to use. I'm thinking of putting this one maybe up here. I also have some that are more like display pieces that we got at the crystal gem show. So I want to keep these eye level so can catch people's eyes and they can look at them better. I'm gonna add some amethyst on top of this to add some color variation. Bring in the purples right here too. And then to bring the oranges in from the lamp, I think I want to put it up here somewhere, or maybe even right here. And then I kind of just look at the whole thing and think, okay, this is purple. Where would this live? Maybe somewhere down here. Can move this guy around, add some more orange. Or maybe put this one right here because it looks better from the top. I always like to kind of section things in 3 at least, so it's not an even number. I feel like it's just easier on the eye, so it's not an even number. And then for the things that I'm actually gonna use, my little pail, I think I might put it down here along with a mister, so it's not like the nicest looking thing, but it serves a purpose. So I'm gonna kind of like hide it in the back right here. Just gonna try to hide it. So I still think we can use something down here, and also on the top something's missing, so let's figure that out. So this is one of my favorite butterfly displays that my friend actually gave me, and it's one of my favorites, so I'm gonna find a home for it right here along with this little guy. I think he's the cutest. He's a little crystal. I don't know what he is, but let's just say he's the guardian of this little whimsical world we're making. He's so cute. All right, so here's what I decided on for the final decor. I got a picture of Mario and I in this super cute little crystal. This is from a New Year's in a super cute little like crystal globe. We got our little protector right here along with the plants. And then for this one, I really like the way this is probably my favorite shelf, the way it looks. We got our books right here, and I have some of my gardening stuff down here. I'll probably put some more stuff in there. And then I guess I have a plant right here to kind of frame it all. Let's bring back in these plants and we'll call it a day. All right, so here is the final corner. I love the way it looks. It's so green. So there it is, the final corner. I love the way it looks. We now have something nice to look at while we're working from home. So I hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, let me know, leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what area you would like me to design next, whether it's like a bathroom or a shelf or I don't know, I'm open to anything. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.